Hi, myself Professor Jitendra Engade, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering Technology, Binder Naukari East. Today's topic is paragraph and dialogue writing. In it, we will discuss paragraph writing, that is technical paragraph. Course outcomes. After watching this videos, student able to learn compose the dialogue and paragraph for different situations. In it, the writing skill. Differentiate the given types of paragraph with justification. Student formulate the paragraph in a word with synchronized sentences, structure given on situation or topic. Explain the theme of the given paragraph precisely. Student also achieve the speaking skills also. Summarize the given paragraph with correct pronunciation and intonation. Take part the debate with correct pronunciation, intonation and using verbal or non-verbal skills. Differentiate the given types of paragraph with justification. Formulate the paragraph in a word with synchronized sentence, structure and given situation or topic. Explain the theme on given paragraph precisely. These are the learning outcomes student will achieve after watching this video. Student, in our last video, we already discussed what are the different types of paragraph, that is technical paragraph, narrative paragraph, descriptive paragraph and compare and contrast types of paragraph. Then we also discussed how to write the paragraph, first line, middle line and ending line, that is concluding line. Okay. While writing paragraph, we will write down paragraph from first line to last line in a one paragraph. Do not change the paragraph. But while reading, while listening or while writing, we will write down paragraph in a first to last line in a one paragraph. But while we quoting the ideas, that time we quote the first line we give the title of the paragraph. From second line to near about second last line we will put the middle or description of the paragraph or the content, and last line it is the concluding line or a ending line. In this way we will put or write down the information in paragraph. So number one, smartphone. Smartphone. So student, let us see how to write the technical paragraph. Number one topic is smartphone. A smartphone is a mobile phone that can do more than other phones. They work as a computer but are mobile devices small enough to fit in a user hand. It includes sending and receiving email, text, paragraphs, multimedia messages, registering contact, calculator, currency, alarm, browsing internet using a mobile phone browser, playing games and much more. The smartphone usually come with large touchable display and inbuilt QWERTY keypad. Because the smartphone are a small computer, they run an operating system that is often common between the device to ensure compatibility. The the majority of the smartphone run on Apple I operating system or Google Android system, but other use Windows Phone or BlackBerry operating system also. Most can do multitasking, running more than one program which help the user to thinking quicker and easier. So student, this is the technical types of paragraph. In its first line, a smartphone is mobile phone that can do the more. It is the title line. Okay. Directly title is mentioned in the first line, so we know that this is paragraph regarding or on smartphone. From second line to second last line, it is a description of the smartphone, how it is function, how it is working, what are the features of smartphone, etc. All these details we will get in the middle part. Then last line, it is a concluding line or ending line of the paragraph. Next, dishwasher. A dishwasher is a mechanical device of cleaning dishware and cutlery. Unlike manual dishwashing, which relies largely on physical scrubbing on removing soil. The mechanical dishwasher clean by spray hot water, typically between the 45 to 75 degree Celsius. Mechanical dishwasher clean by spray hot water, typically between the 45 to 75 degree Celsius. That is 110 to 170 Fahrenheit. The dishes with low temperature used delicate item. A mix of water and dishwasher detergent in a plumb to one or more rotating spray alarm, which blasts the dishes with the cleaning mixture. Once the dishwash is finished, the water is drained. More hot water is pumped in the rinse cycle begins. After the rinse cycle finished, the water is also drained. The dishes are dried using one of the several drying methods. Sanitization is achieved by either use of the booster heater that will provide 82 degree to 180 Fahrenheit final rinse the temperature through the use of chemical sanitizer. So student, this is the paragraph regarding dish washer. It is also same, write down in the same pattern. First two paragraph in smartphone and dishwashers, we write down the technical paragraph. It is second one also, it is a technical paragraph on laptop. So student, you all of us very well about the laptop. Since computer technology has advanced rapidly, there are various types of laptop available in the market. Starting from the basic configuration to higher one like touch screen and movable screen. Laptop, also called a notebook, it is a type of portable mini computer that you can carry anywhere, unlike the desktop computer. Laptop has important components like processor, RAM, memory, hard drive, DVD drive, network card, USB drive, keyboard, monitor, etc. and much more. The functionality of laptop increase if you prefer to heavy configuration. You can do all your work at any place, just like surfing internet, playing games, listening songs, watching videos and chatting with the friend online etc. Nowadays, laptops are available at the cost that support your budget and fulfill your objectives. So student, this is the technical types of paragraph. In this types of paragraph, we will describe the paragraph or information or ideas about the technical content or technical things. First line is called as a title line. Second line to second last line, it is a descriptive or middle part of that paragraph, and last line it is concluding. As per the guideline, first line is informative, the second to middle part to second last line it is a descriptive, and last line it is a concluding or suggestive line. In this way, we will write down the paragraph and conclude the paragraph. So students, I hope you all of us understood the paragraph very well. That is technical paragraph, okay, and you do not have any problem to write down the technical types of paragraph. In next video, we will discuss the another types of paragraph also. Thank you very much. Okay.